The imminent energy crisis has led the automobile industry undergo a paradigm shift towards clean, greener fuels. With the threat of climate change and decreasing fossil fuels, we see the need of a new, sustainable technology. Evo 3 not only offers a solution, but it has far better performance from conventional IC engine cars.
Hi, I'm Siddesh and I'm really excited to talk about IIT Bombay Racing. We are a group of 70 students from different disciplines and we design, fabricate and race electric vehicles. We participate at the Formula Student Competition held annually in Silverstone, UK. Over 100 teams from top universities all over the world participate at the event.
One of the prime requirements of vehicle dynamics is tunability. The suspension and the steering design has been ensured to maximize vehicular performance while taking a turn. Introduction of carbon fiber A-arms was the game-changing strategy, leading to a weight reduction of 85%.
In the chassis subsystem, we design and fabricate a compact tubular space frame support structure with design emphasis on load paths, on high stiffness to weight ratio, driver safety and ergonomics.
This time we have introduced aerodynamics for the first time in our vehicle design. As a part of this, we have run CFD simulations in order to optimize the performance and reduce the drag.
A vehicle model has been custom developed to validate and optimize our control strategy.
Using the electronic differential, we electrically control power delivered to each wheels to ensure smooth and efficient turning. Evo 2 was the first Indian car to implement an active electronic differential using RPM control. This year, we are taking this technology to the next step to slip control using torque wheel.
Transfer power to the wheels of vehicles via a motor using a fixed reduction ratio gearbox. Last year, we had used a conventional two-step reduction ratio gearbox. This year, we have come up with the innovative solution of a planetary gearbox, providing more compactness, having a less weight, and providing more torque transfer capability.
Instead of an engine, our car uses a battery and two motors to power the wheels. We have a motor controller between the battery and the motor to control the power transfer, similar to a manual gearbox. With this powertrain, we can go to 60 km per hour in less than 2.7 seconds, which is even better than the stunning Lamborghini Aventador.
We have over 30 sensors collecting data from all over our car and transmitting them wirelessly in real time to the pit.
Safety is one of the major hurdles in our commercializing electric cars. We have foolproof safety system in our car that cut off the power during threats like crash or any system failures. System integration does the job of connecting 300 wires all at the right places.
Battery is the powerhouse of any electric vehicle. We'll be using lithium polymer batteries. These are the maximum power capacity. We'll be using 26 cells in series. These have 110 volts and the maximum current capacity is 720.
When I look back at my team's work, we as a part of the organizational team are probably most proud about the way in which we held our colleagues to create a team which by virtue of its values, practices and success has had a tremendous impact on the way the teams are handled across our institute.
Blank pages and a clean slate is where every car begins its story. Passion and determination is what makes a race car come alive.
Here at IITB Racing, we strive to create a complete car where form meets function and delivers its highest performance.
As Matt Brown rightly puts it, when you spend all of your time doing one activity, that activity becomes more important than anything else in the world to you.
People wonder why we spend 70 hours building race cars. We look at them like a dog looks at a mine. Why? Because race car. That's why.